This tutorial will go through how you can maintain a work-life balance in the budget game. At the end of each week, if I roll my dice, I'll receive a prompt asking me what I'd like to do over the weekend. You have 4 options to choose from, including work extra hours, socialize with friends and family, do household chores, or study and work on your professional development. If you choose to work extra hours, this will launch you into a mini game where you can play to earn extra money. Just note that this extra money doesn't show up immediately in your account, but will become available to you on your next paycheck. You can choose to socialize with your friends and family. Socializing with your friends and family is a quick way of building up your quality of life points. On the downside, most of the events that you can do does cost you money and does not provide financial benefits in comparison to the other choices. Taking care of your household chores includes doing things like cleaning and keeping your house neat and tidy. Also note that doing household chores can save you money on some of your other bills. And lastly, there is the option of studying or working on your professional development. If you start the game as a part-time student, this tile will say study. If you started this game as a worker, this tile will say professional development. As a part-time student, choosing study means you're spending your free time doing homework and improving your grades. Choosing this option does not help in increasing your wage, but if you're playing on the setting that allows you to start as a student and graduate into full-time mode, choosing study will carry over into your new status, and you could potentially start with a higher wage than others in your class. If you're playing full-time mode, choosing professional development means you're working towards a promotion and making an advancement in your career. You have the opportunity to increase your salary, which earns you more on each paycheck in the long term. So this differs a little bit from the part-time students where you don't get an increase in your weekly paycheck. With these 4 choices, you need to spread them equally amongst each other, as there are consequences for devoting too much time in any given area. For example, if you work extra hours every weekend to maximize your net worth, but you never take care of your household chores, you'll start getting unfavorable event cards, such as getting a cockroach infestation and having to pay large sums of money for an exterminator. So I'll be clicking study as my choice, and I get this prompt that says, missed birthday, you skipped a friend's birthday party for a study session, you take them out to dinner the next day to make up for it, $42. How would you like to pay for this, debit or credit? So this is an example of an unfavorable event card because I spent so much time studying, I neglected my social life. You'll start getting unfavorable event cards such as this that costs you money because you did not spend your time equally amongst your 4 weekend options. As you progress through the game, try to maintain a sense of work-life balance by splitting your time evenly between the activities each week. So that's it for this video, and thanks for watching.